Sure, I've been in farming all my teenage and adult life. Farming was a lot different back when I was younger, but something clicked, I think, when I first stepped onto a farm. I kind of loved the environment, was embraced by it, and I thought, well, this is what I want to do. And then led me to becoming involved in farm management and farm consultancy, not just in the UK, but around the world. There is another way. And so working in different cultures and locations around the world, I learnt a lot from the way farming is traditionally done. And then that sort of led me down the path of sustainable agriculture and permaculture. A wise man once told me that there are only 8 ingredients to any food production system anywhere on Earth. And they are, he explained to me, in order of magnitude, I guess: sun and air, soil, water, plants, animals, people and money. And if you mix all those together in different ways, you have an agricultural food production industry. So working with the soil and water was very appealing, and it took us back a few steps. Then we started to think about, okay, how do we understand how soil and water behaves on a landscape? How do we capture that information, and how do we use that to help us redesign how a farm works using these principles? So it's not a random place, it's actually something we'll be working on in the future with this design. So we continue to develop the algorithm and inserted sort of additions like agroforestry lines and water channels, water storage areas. Where would be the best places for these to be sited on the landscape? Just to come up with a big design as a starting point. So these big projects are of interest because they can pour a lot of climate finance funding into it, and in return conserve biodiverse areas, help local farmer livelihoods. It's just a great package we can offer. But also to get data from the project itself and feed back into our algorithm so it sharpens up, we can learn from it, and therefore the designs in other places are more accurate. So for us, it's a long-term engagement.